ndedwa andindedwa 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 bekumele ndikude bomini ndihleli nomndeni wami sijabulile baona kumngane wami sihleli sibana ubusuku nemini kodwa imali ezandleni Sizobumelela ngoba asisekho
nathi sonke. Amen. Sifikile ke ngoku apha ekhaya nomzimba nokamama. Sizawunikela ke apha emsatsheni ukuze ke sive oba ukusuka ngoku ukubhekisa phambili. Yeyiphi ezaqala, iyeyiphi na ezaqhubeka.
Nombulelo ufikile ngoku ekhayeni, sizawuthi ke xa sikwamkelayo sithi tyafo koma sikabhatiza sikaphunga sikanqobana sikagqarhela ngezinto sikakhafeni izezimvu zokinyuka etholele kamfikayo zisencede sesapho sasentonyeni.
Oh mama, ndiyophinde ndithi mama kubani na. How do we stand here today and speak of you in the past tense? It feels unreal and unfair, like a cruel twist of fate. You were the best woman to ever walk this earth, the greatest blessing to us and everyone who was fortunate enough to cross paths with you. Mama, you were more than just our grandmother. You were our home, our safe place, our greatest love. You carried us in your heart and on your shoulders, ensuring that we would have a life full of comfort, love, and security. Your love was irreplaceable, your presence unmatched. Now, in this life without you, we feel the weight of your absence so deeply. But Mama, we promise to keep your legacy alive. We will carry your dreams, your hopes, your wishes, and we will fulfill them in your honor. It breaks our hearts that after a lifetime of hard work, you ascended to heaven the very year you were meant to retire. You didn't even get to enjoy the peace you so selflessly gave to others. But we live for you, we will find joy for you, and we will love each other as you loved us. We will never let your name fade. You were everything I aspired to be: strong, independent, nurturing, and devoted. You built a career that changed lives, serving every patient with compassion and kindness. And I know those fortunate enough to be in your care will remember you as fondly as we do. To know you was to experience the purest love, the warmest embrace, the most selfless heart. For that, we are forever grateful. And above all, Mama, you loved God, you lived by faith, you prayed with conviction, and you passed that belief onto us. You taught us to trust in Him even when life felt cruel. Today, we hold on to that faith. Even though our hearts are broken, we trust that you are at peace. You are at peace, that you are finally resting after a life well lived. The words of your favorite hymn, Yesu Galaba Libanzi, now will carry a deeper meaning for us. In the end it says, Thetha ndikhululwe. And now uYesu uthethile sikhali ukukhulule. Free from pain, free from burdens of this world, though our hearts ache, We take comfort in knowing that you are finally at peace, resting in his eternal embrace. Rest well, George Tiyeka. Butsolo Bentonga, we love you today and forever until we meet again. Lala kakuhle sithando sami. In loving memory of our devoted, caring mother and grandmother, Makungulu Nombulelo Winifred, born on the 26th of June 1962 and died on the 6th of February 2025. Your presence will be missed, your presence will forever be missed, your memories will always be treasured. Rest in peace, Zikhali George Tiyeka, Butsolo Bentonga.